3rd and 9. Brady's pass to Edelman, and he's able to beat Talib to the chains. Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I'd go to 9 Super Bowls. That's Edelman diving for the first down.
So you see how he motioned over there? You think it's man-to-man, but then all of a sudden they'll drop out and play zone sometimes.
Pocket protected. That leaves Edelman open. And shoved out by Talib. Brady finding Edelman. And he's twisted out. Donald has returned to the field. Lined up over the left guard. Brady protected. Throws. Wide open. Edelman. And he'll step out at the 29. He stopped at the end, trying to drive in for the win. Now Brady on first down. Edelman again, his 6th catch, and he's picked up another first down. Edelman's picked up 5 first downs on his 6 catches. Again, the Rams have only 2 as a team. 2nd and 7. It's Edelman again. And he's going to find that first down yardage for the 6th time in this half.
Well, they've got to double Edelman. When he motions, somebody has to help.
Peters is on him. Here's the pass. He got away from him, and Edelman slips through a tackle. All the way across the 40. And now he's got a 27-yard play, the longest of the game on either side.
Peters tries not to get beat outside, and by doing so, Edelman uses his leverage against him, and it's over.
Edelman's on the right side, working the middle of the field, and they find him. Brady finds him at the 34.
Oh, you got to watch out for a double move here, or Gronk up the seam, a running back down the sideline.
Down the middle they go. Who else? Edelman with yet another catch, his 10th.